The less time you spend on telling people shit that they don't want to hear about, the more time you have for the 10% that want to ask you the questions. And then you have a conversation, which is useful for you and for the person because they actually asked for it.
My experience as a diner has often been exactly what you describe. The server will be able to give me a list of ingredients, but that only gets you so far. And it seems to me that it would help if chefs and servers alike would, go through the exercise of trying to describe that dish even to someone who doesn't have it sitting in front of them. As a diner, I'm very often surprised by what appears to me on my plate, even though I've ordered that thing.
If you're capable of saying it in a sentence, you really got it, right? So this is a way of practicing this. You go there and you try and make it happen in 2, 3 seconds. It's a sentence, 2 sentences. That's it. It doesn't mean that you should know more than this. You formulate this sentence based on more things that you know. But once you're at the table and you realize that these people are interested in more and they might even have a question for you and you can answer that question, that's the magic. But that's not 99% of the people. That might be, let's say, 10% of the people. The same goes with the wine. This is a huge problem.
I'm a big proponent of having chefs improve their ability to talk about food. And so to the listener who's like, yeah, it'd be cool if I could do that, but I have no capacity to talk about food. Has there been anything that you've seen that's helpful or that someone can keep in mind?